Let's face it, creating YouTube videos isn't a walk in the park. You pour your heart and soul into your content, but sometimes it feels like you're shouting into the void. Your videos aren't getting the views they deserve. It's frustrating, right? I've been there. You spend hours filming, editing, and perfecting your video. Then you hit publish and crickets, but don't give up just yet. There's hope. Enter VidIQ and InVideo. These tools are like having a secret weapon in your content creation arsenal. Let's get started. VidIQ is like having a YouTube expert whispering in your ear. It's your personal guide to video SEO. With VidIQ, you're not just throwing content into the void, you're strategically placing it where it needs to be. First up, keyword research. VidIQ makes this process a breeze. It shows you exactly what people are searching for. No more guesswork. VidIQ gives you the data you need to make informed decisions. It also helps you analyze your competition. You can see what's working for other creators in your niche. VidIQ helps you optimize your video after you've published it. With VidIQ, you're not just creating videos, you're creating videos that are primed for success. Now let's talk about InVideo, a revolutionary tool in the world of video editing. This tool is a blessing for anyone who's ever struggled with video editing, whether you're a beginner or have some experience. InVideo takes the pain out of video creation. It makes it fun and engaging, turning a daunting task into an enjoyable experience. You don't need to be a pro to create pro-level videos. With InVideo, anyone can produce high-quality content effortlessly. One of InVideo's standout features is its vast library of templates, catering to a wide range of video styles and purposes. These aren't just any templates. They are meticulously crafted by professionals. They're professionally designed, ready-to-use video templates that save you time and effort. You can find one for any type of video you want to make, from social media posts to corporate presentations. But here's where InVideo really shines. Its intuitive drag-and-drop interface, making the editing process smooth and straightforward. You don't need to be a tech wizard to use it. The user-friendly design ensures that anyone can navigate it with ease. Just drag, drop, and you're done. It's that simple and efficient. InVideo takes the complexity out of video editing, making it accessible to everyone. It's like having a media powerhouse right on your desktop, ready to help you create stunning videos with ease. Section 4. The power of combining VidIQ and InVideo. When you combine VidIQ and InVideo, you're not just creating videos, you're creating video powerhouses. It's like having a well-oiled machine that churns out high-performing content. You start with VidIQ. You use it to find the perfect keywords. You analyze your competition. You figure out exactly what your audience is looking for. This is your foundation. With this information, you know exactly what kind of video you need to make. Then, you jump into InVideo. You pick a template that fits your video idea. You start editing, all with the knowledge you gained from VidIQ. It's a continuous cycle of creation and optimization. Section 5. Why you should give VidIQ and InVideo a try. At this point, you might be thinking, sounds great, but is it really worth it? Let me tell you, it absolutely is. These tools are not just nice to have, they're essential. These tools aren't just nice to have, they're game changers. They can revolutionize your content strategy. They can take your video content from good to great. Think about it. Imagine the potential growth. How much time do you spend agonizing over keywords? Hours, right? How many hours do you lose trying to perfect your video edits? It's a lot. VidIQ and InVideo can cut that time down dramatically. They streamline your workflow, making it seamless. They make you more efficient, more productive. Imagine getting more done in less time. You can focus on what really matters, creating awesome content. Your creativity can truly shine. With VidIQ, you're making data-driven decisions. You know what works and what doesn't. And with InVideo, you're creating professional-looking videos. Your content will stand out. Section 6, leveling up your video game. Final thoughts. All right, let's wrap this up. We've covered a lot of ground today. Creating great YouTube videos isn't easy. It takes time, effort, and a lot of creativity, but it doesn't have to be a constant uphill battle. There are ways to make the process smoother. With the right tools, you can level up your video game significantly. You can create content that not only looks great, but performs well too. High-quality visuals and engaging narratives are key. That's where VidIQ and InVideo come in. They offer powerful features to enhance your videos. These tools aren't magic bullets. They won't replace your creativity or hard work. They won't do the work for you. Your personal touch is irreplaceable. But they will make your work more effective, helping you streamline your process. They'll help you create videos that resonate with your audience, keeping them engaged. Videos that get views, likes, and shares. That's the ultimate goal, right? So what are you waiting for? Give VidIQ and InVideo a try. See the difference for yourself. Now go out there and create something awesome. The world is waiting for your unique voice.